Hello, my wonderful audience. In this video, we are going to learn how to hem your jean with this time around. We are going to be using hand needle and thread. Hope you can see that. Okay, now before we move to the tutorial video, kindly click on the subscribe button under this video. Also hit the notification bell so that when I drop another tutorial video, you will get notified. Okay, hope you have done that. Thank you. Now look at this jean. Now look at, I will be using needle, thread, scissors, tape and my chalk. Hope you can see that. Now watch this video to the end so that, because the ending part is the major part. Okay, now I'm going to fold this jean into two and take out the length measurement because I'm going to cut it. So the length I'll be using is 38. I will add 1.5 inch. Now I'm going to cut out from that place we marked. You can see that. Now the second part, second leg, you're also going to cut it out. Now after that, we are going to fold it inward like this, folding like 1.5. Now I use needle to hold it so that it will be firm when stitching it. Okay, now I'll put my thread on the needle. Watch and see how I'll be stitching it. First of all, look at the technique I will be using. First of all, from inside and bring out the needle. Now you stitch like this. Hope you see how I'm doing it. You stitch like this. Now make sure it's tight. You go back to the last point where the stitch should at the upper side. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Hope you are seeing how I'm stitching it. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Don't forget to drop a comment. What's your take on this? This thing I'm showing you now is very important. It can save a lot. Hope you are seeing, hope you are understanding how I'm stitching this, because you cannot just stitch anyhow, because this jean is a designer jean, so you need to stitch it in a way that it will be attractive and normal in the eyes. Just follow this step that I used, you will have a perfect result. Hope you are seeing how I'm stitching it down. Hope you see what I just did now. Make sure you are stitching on a straight line. Now the ending part will be very crucial, very important. Okay, now look at my previous. I'm almost done. We are getting to the end of this video. I will show you the final stitch, how it is going to be. Don't forget to drop a comment under this video, very important. Now the thread is not enough, so I just add another thread. Watch and see. You're going to begin from where that one stop at the top. But we see how I start it. Now we're almost done. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Thank you for We are seeing we are heading to the end now. Watch very closely now how I stitch it now. We are- I'm going to tie it up from this place so that it will not loosen up. Make sure you stitch it well at this point and you cut it out. That's it. Hope you see how neat and nice it is. That's it. Don't forget to subscribe and check the comment section for more video. Thank you.